Hello, good afternoon. Today I want to show you a simple way to wrap your head. It doesn't take long, so you have to have two. So I've chosen these two colors. I hope they work out. Now we've got these two colors lengthwise, but this orange brown seem to be longer than this. So I'm gonna put this at the back, at the bottom. Sorry, you have to fold it into two since they are triangle scarves. I'm gonna fold them into two. As you can see, I've already taken the glasses off, clear my face. Now I've already wear a head cap just to cover my own hair while I'm working on it. So get the head wrap into two equal sides. That's right, two equal sides. In a minute, let me just get some pins. Let me get some pins because I will require pins to hold this wrap. Okay, maybe two pins. Got it? So we bring it from the back, try to cover all the head cap, and so now grab both ends and tie it firmly at the back. So hold it firm. Gosh, try not to squash your hair. So we take the next wrap and just fold it into two like I said earlier and use the same bend to on equal sides. Just pull it over the first head wrap, leaving about an inch or more, depends. Now tie it at the back very tight. Let's bear in mind that some scarves are silky and they have a silky feel, so it might be difficult to rest on the other. So we just have to be very careful. So I've now secured both ties. So trying to just move one backward a bit by running my finger underneath and pushing it backwards a bit. That's it. So we have, it appears that one end is longer than the other. It shouldn't be like that, but we work with it. So this side is longer and this side is shorter, but it has to be equal. But for now, let's just do the twisting. We twist it, twist it, twist. The teal color has some designs in it, and that's please it shouldn't have a design and it should be plain, but it presents a problem when you're trying to make a style with it. But just ignore that. Now we've twisted both colors. We're going to pass it above the wrap. Remember, I asked you to get a pin. So we're gonna try to pin it. Either you pin it or you tuck it. I feel tucking serves a better purpose. Squashing my hair. So as we can see, I've got the design on this blue wrap, the blue scarf showing. Okay, it should not be like that. I should not have a design scarf when I'm doing this design, these styles. So now I'm going to do, I've got the two other ends. I'm going to now twist both. Yeah, as if today is not my day. So we grab it and pass it over the wrap. Okay, the first twist. Call it wrap. Okay, so we've got this sort of style which I didn't intend to be there, but since it's there, let's leave it like as a style, because we've just used a design scarf to create our style, and that's what is showing here, which I never intended to happen, you know. So but this is the crown. That's the crown. You have to tuck and pin and tuck and pin and tuck and pin. Now we've got this. You know, pin it. If you like, you can pin this lace that is showing there. Okay? So that's it. Here you go. This is the design that I have created. Hope you like this style. because I love it so much, because now it goes with my dress and it makes a beautiful color. Simple wrap design tutorial. So like, share, comments, whether good or bad, or just post your own head wrap for me to see, your own tutorial. And also, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and ask your friends to subscribe to the channel, and you'll be receiving more of my videos like this. Love you. Have a blessed Sunday. Bye bye.